Hello guys, welcome to the 14th video of this tutorial series. What we'll be doing in this 14th video is to create a contact us page where users will be able to contact us, fill in their information, key it into the database, and at least we can be able to get back to them whenever we need to, and whenever they have issues they can refer to us or we'll be able to get back to them. So let's just do that right away. Go to Dreamweaver. Before we save one more page out of this page, I want to add something to it. On this navigation, I need to add one more, and that will be user. So I'll add one more. Say users. That will not be linked to anywhere under users. I will add a submenu to it and call this registration. Call this reg.php. Then I'll add one more to this and call it user login. Here I'll call this login. .php. That will be just it. So I'll save that. Then I'll save one more out of this and call it contact and click save. It has been saved. I'll close this about us and preview this in our browser just to see. Now on these users, if you click or you overrun it, you see registration and user login. That's just what I wanted to add to it before we proceed. So on this part, instead of about us, say contact us. Good. Contact us, which is good enough. So right now, every content in this area we are going to remove. Now if we preview in our browser, you'll be able to see the difference. There we go. Now we are ready to go. So let's just start right away. So now what we need to do now is add some content to it. So on this body we'll need to add some tables to it, and the table will be adding be a table of 0 column. So let's just add tables right away. I'll put like 7 rows, no column. There we go. So But before that, let's edit this test. And now on editing that test, I'll need to copy those tests from somewhere. So let's just visit the official website for this page. Let's visit. Here we are on the contact page. So what I will just do right now, I'll copy this test. Then go back to Dreamweaver, paste it here. There you go. So for these ones, take it to the middle. Good. For this one, I'll give it a color of blue. That is good. So right now, let's just add our form here. Before this table, I would erase the table and add a form. So insert a form here. In between the form, I'll paste our table. I call this, and this first field I will just have to insert some content. So for the first one, put this test field here and give it an ID of full name. Copy this, paste here. Copy, paste, and give this email. I'll give this address. Phone number.
With the blockage that you see, tell them to give you a
Phone. We'll add one more. Call it website. So add another. This time it's not going to be a test field, but it's going to be a test area. So we give it message. There you go. Save this. Let's just add button. Now let's change the value of the button to send message. That should just do. Let's save and preview. Here we go. Now this is just what we've been able to do here. The informations are out there for us to see, so we need to work on this a little more. So right now, for this, let's put it here. Let's align this to the middle. For this, let's give it an inline CSS to change the color. So I'll give it font color. Just give it a blue. Close this up, then close it, save, and then preview. There we go. Everything is nice and good now. So let's go back to Dreamweaver. Now, what we need to do right now is work on the content itself. So let's bridge this gap here. Good. We already have a class for input, so we'll make use of those classes. Give this class of input. Attach the same class here. Input. Select this as well. Input. Input. Now in terms of the character width, let's give it 60. No, 89. Too much, 70. Save this, preview in the browser. There you go. Our work is nice here. So if you type, keep going down. That was, you need to scroll, but right now it's not looking too good, so we need to decrease the length of this. So let's just go ahead to do that. But before we do that, let's see our responsivities in terms of a mobile view. Okay, it's not okay there, but we just need to work on it. So right now we need to declare one more class for the input. Call this input 1. Input 1. For the weight, we take 70%. That'll be just okay. So for this one, well, let's go and work on this. Good. Let's paste it here. Let's give this input 1. Scroll down one more time. Put 1. Let's save this. Now if we refresh, good, it's nice and good now. So let's just work on this test area itself, or rather let's make it 70. Save this. There you go. It's nice and clean. So we need to assign our usual button to it. But this one doesn't fit to this color, so let's assign one more class to our CSX. Wait, %, height 37 pixel, then background Nice black would do. That should be just it. Let's add an over effect. Over background. Okay. So now let's just give it descent class. But before we preview, we need to add one more thing to it. That will be color white. Let's save and preview. So there you go. Right now I'm not too okay with this design as it is, so let's just work on this test area a little and this send button. So on the code for input, we have 70% here, so let's just give this 70% as well. Then let's design one more class. For this, we don't need 200 pixel. That should just do. Let's call this message. So let's give this class of message to that. Okay, but it seems too wide, so let's give it 150 pixel. So let's save all and preview. There we go. It's nice and clean now. So at this point, what we need to do right now is go to design view and add some content to it, and that will be all for this first one. Let's go and make it required. Placeholder, call this message. Okay, placeholder, optional, placeholder, phone number here, required, placeholder, we call this address here, placeholder, email here, required, placeholder, full name here. What we have done right now is to name each of those test fields so that the user will know which input is required for each of them. So if we refresh, here we go, full name here, email address here, phone number, then URL. This one is optional. So if you try to submit, to tell you this field needs to be filled. So if you fill something here, and you just have to send to tell you to fill in these fields. If you fill in this and you leave this blank, since it's optional, it's still going to submit. So nice and clean, it's working. So right now our contact page has been fully designed. See you in the next video.